This is where great family trips begin. Hi, it's Steve, and this is the 2026 Chateau 24 LT on a Mercedes chassis, a Mercedes 4500 Sprinter chassis. That means you get that peppy i4, 208 horsepower, 332 pound-feet of torque. We'll walk you through that, but it is a nice, safe, easy to drive vehicle at 25 feet 10 inches. You and your family can just travel and load and go. We're going to take a real quick spin over here on our campsite. Notice the slide wall is on the other side, so that really frees up your camp space over here. Up top, we'll start with that lovely awning. That will come out with the touch of a button. You have LED lights underneath. This is our Twilight Edition paint. Nice look, right? Beautiful. Beautiful looking Chateau Sprinter. Exhaust for our tankless hot water is right here. Nice storage bay right here, so anything goes. What do you need to put in there? Load it in there. Little items store right in this little bay right there. Rotocast material, so no bay stink because it washes out, it dries, it's easy, no carpet, not gonna mold, not gonna mildew, not gonna stink, and store what you need wherever you want. Now, a couple of little things I've opened up here. We're gonna start right here. This is your exterior propane connection. So let's say you took and you have one of those little portable Blackstones, you can store that right up front. The other thing that runs off your propane is this generator, 4,000 watt propane generator. That's gonna be right there. This is going to be an exterior hose. You can just plug that in and then hose off whatever you need. There's also an exterior shower over on the other side. Plug in whatever you need right here, including your phones, USB-C and USB-A on top of 110s. Neat little addition right there. Your freshwater fill is here, and then the big old storage bay where that grill or griddle is stored right in here. Again, nice rotocast material, little drain plug inside, great exterior, easily accessible. Over on the other side are your connections. Everything is real easy to get to. It's an easy to set up RV with no hassles. We are going to head inside and show you back to front on this, because in the back, you're gonna love the amount of space in the closets. I'll have Tom start working his way back there as you look at this gorgeous silk haze interior. This is our Cali collection cabinet work, nice two-tone, but look at this. I mean, you have a large closet or pantry or whatever you need it for here. Adjust the shelves to the desired height or just pull them out all together. Drawers down below. Another closet in the bathroom here. Hanging rod. You have a ladder here for your over the cab bunk. So you're gonna have seatbelts and sleeping for 4 in this Chateau. Drawers down below. And into the bathroom we go. You have your sink, a medicine cabinet, your foot flush toilet, your shower, and again you have that tankless hot water which you can control right here. You have a vent fan. It's a great setup. I love a rear bath. Rear bath is hard to beat. Thermostat is right here to keep your Chateau nice and cool. 15,000 BTU AC, fully ducted by the way. And now we are, oh yeah, this is the stuff right here. Kick back on the couch, right? Maybe you have something plugged into the USB-A or C. You have 12 volts right there. Little nightstands because you need nightstands when this is a bed. Let's do that right now. Move your cushions out of the way. And typically you wouldn't store them at the dinette because the dinette also makes into a bed. But for the time being, this is exactly what we're gonna do. And then you fold down your mattress. You make the bed with your Star Wars sheets or your Hello Kitty sheets or whatever it is you enjoy. Not this time of year, weighted blanket. I love me a weighted blanket when it's wintertime. Tom, you love a weighted blanket, don't you? We went on a photo shoot, I don't know, a couple of years ago, out of town. It was cold, it was fall. Tom brings his weighted blanket. That's how awesome they are. If you don't have one, get one. But anyway, this is your bed. I'll show you real quick here. All right, just fold this down. I know I get off track. I get to talking. You don't want me talking. You just want to see the floor plan. I read the comments. But let me show you how big this is. All right, we're just gonna climb on here. We'll move this. We'll make this later. All right, you stay right there. Little snuggle blanket. I can fit. Oh yeah. Right back here. kick back. Maybe you'll take your candy socks off. Yeah, maybe you'll grab candy from one of the many storage bays up here. But look, plenty of room in here, right? You got your Murphy bed, and cool thing is in the morning, you just fold this baby right back up, push that down, slap that into place, just like that, and move your cushions back here. There's even a little privacy curtain right here, so you kind of cordon that area off, and then away you go, and it's back to sofa mode. Over here, let's hit up this kitchen. 2-burner gas cooktop is right here. Your microwave is down below. Tons and tons of storage in the cabinet, pantry, however you want to use it. You have a pop-up outlet, nice large kitchen here, number of drawers, big old cabinet down here, sink, roll-out cover, big windows. Notice the size of the windows over here. We also have large windows over on the other side in this 24 LT, and roller blinds as well, right? So you're gonna wanna pull those down on a hot day like today, keep the sun out, keep that AC running more efficiently, and then at night, you pull those for privacy. But there are screens back here, so if you want cross ventilation, you can get that. Nice cabinets up above. Nice homey residential look and feel. Do it all in the Dream Dinette. Even a child safety tether built in, so that's nice if you're traveling with a little one. Buckle in the car seat, more storage here. Then you have your over the cab bunk, charging right here. And then we get into the Mercedes real quick. Easy to drive, really. These are great to drive. They're very peppy. All the controls are right there. You have adaptive cruise control, heated memory seats. These swivel, become part of the living area. Your infotainment center, you're gonna get Sirius XM, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. A ton of storage up front. Look at all the cup holders, right? That's a lot of drinks. Man, you can have white milk, chocolate milk, strawberry milk, and then water to wash it all down, because you realized, you know what, drinking milk while I'm driving is probably a really bad decision. This is the Chateau 24 LT. It's a great way to travel, whether you're a couple, whether you're a small family, it doesn't matter. Just get out there and explore. Build your own right now at thormotorcoach.com.